What's up, everybody? Today I'm working on a deck lid for a 1977 Chevy Caprice two-door. The one this is off the parts car. I was going to use it for my car, but I found out that I can't put my automatic pop lock on this one. So I'm just fixing the rust hole that was right here. I used some spray foam, and then I'm using fiberglass mat, resin, fiberglass jelly, fiberglass filler, and I'm gonna fix that, and then sand it down, prime it, fix this spot right here, right there, and then the top of it is like surface rust, so I'll probably sand that down, fix that, and then prime it down, and it'll be ready to sell, or I'll sell it as is, whichever comes first. But let me get my fiberglass strands. Let me get those fiberglass strips cut out, and I'll catch you back on. Okay, let me get, I got my strands cut out. I got the little fiber resin, the hardener. I'm about to set you guys up so you can see. How I'm working. Let's see, is that the area? Yep. Alright. I'm just brushing it on. Well, brushing the area. Alright, I'm going to brush the area real quick that I'm putting the fiber resin on, and then I'll catch you back on. Alright, got it laid down. I'm going to be heating it up with my hair dryer, with my girl's hair dryer right there. Heat it up, let it cure to the metal. And this will probably be the end of part one. And I'll catch you out when I do laying the filler. I'll catch you guys back on for part two, and then when I prime it and sand it all down and shit, that'll be part three, and that'll be the wrap of it.